The OM packaging machine for window and door frames, model PM270, studied to wrap fittings with a polyethylene air bubble and extensible film, is characterized by its particular portal frame steel structure developed to guarantee an extraordinary stability also during the packaging of the heaviest fittings. A laser pointing device allows a quick and accurate positioning of the pneumatic vise according to the frame height. The PM270 machine guarantees a perfect fitting, packing up to 2 meters and 70 centimeters of height. Combined with a fitting holder trolley, HE600T, it allows the handling and the packaging operation to be carried out by only one operator during the loading and unloading phases. The pneumatic vise is equipped with a device which prevents accidental overturning of the fitting during the handling. This device is automatically switched off when the frame is locked, permitting a complete wrapping of the fitting. Pushing the start button, the loading and unloading roller conveyor gets automatically down, carrying the fitting on a rubber area which prevents its side slipping. The pneumatic vise locks the frame and the overturning preventer device is excluded. You can adjust the rotation speed of the turn plate and the lifting up and down speed of the coils trolley by an inverter. In this way, the operator can pack the fitting, choosing the most appropriate number of windings, thanks to the PLC screen set on the switchboard panel. At the end of the cycle, the turn plate stops in an unloading position. The vise switches off. Restarting the overturning preventer device, and the roller conveyor lifts up, allowing an easy unload of the fitting.